Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your SoundCore Life P2i earbuds with your MacBook. So first of all, we have to move this earbuds to the pairing mode. Simply you have to open the case and then click and hold this button that is located at the bottom of the case until this indicator on the front starts blinking. As you can see, there it is. There's also one information: you have to put them inside the case, I mean both earbuds, and you have to remove these stickers from the pins right here. Okay, right now it just turns off because I just removed one of the earbuds, but right now it's back. So you have to keep that case open and go to the settings on your MacBook. You have to go for the Bluetooth right here and then click on the switcher to turn on Bluetooth. And right now, as you can see, the SoundCore Life P2i appears on the list, so click on them once to connect. As you can see, we are successfully connected, and there's also something to change. Let's go for the sound settings and be sure that the output and the input is switched from your internal speakers and your internal microphone to our SoundCore. So as you can see, in my case, I have to select them manually because it's not automatically selected. Okay, the Bluetooth, the speaker is selected, but the microphone not. And that's how it looks. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.